Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than Nokia 100. इस Nokia के phones काफी ज़्यादा market में रहे हैं in the mid 2000 around there we can say like 2004 से लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा ही सुर्खियों में रहे हैं Nokia के phones and they were the first one to get some amazing versions out here. We can say they were really amazing variants out there. So let us talk about Nokia 100 first because this kind of phones we have used in most of the times and most of the users and the population have definitely tried out this kind of phones, a tiny keypad phone out there. Talking about Nokia 100, we can say that it was a very light-weighted phone out here which weighs less than 70 grams, so it can be considered as one of the great variant because having a light-weighted phone and back then we had a good amount of capacity in our hand because this was very lightweighted in pockets also and everything was great going with this variant. But this variant had few drawbacks too as compared to the evolution of the time we can say. Evolution definitely did not go well with Nokia 100 out there. It had mini SIM inbuilt in it with flashlight. Yes, you can see flashlight also and mini SIM inbuilt in it. It had a TFT display along with 65K colorization. Yes, 65K colorization, which was a good variant out there. The size, although the entire size of this variant was 1.8, but this was really an amazing variant out that time because we used to have these tiny phones and which were really amazing versions which we usually use. When we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out there, you will not find the expandability of this variant. Expandability was not seen in this variant because it only had 500 entries, so you can definitely save up to 500 contacts in your phone. You can definitely go out with the call records. It shows the call logs also. A major drawback we can say or okay variant we can say was that it did not have the camera. It did not have camera. You cannot find camera out there, but you will definitely find loudspeaker 3.5 jack out there. You will not find WAN, Bluetooth connectivity, ये सब कुछ मतलब connections नहीं थे. Only FM could be seen because 3.5 jack was there, so FM would be seen. You will not see any kind of internet connection out there. You will not see any 3G or any hotspot out there because 3G connections was not so good out there. But you can definitely use other SIM which you do not. You can use 3G SIM also, but you cannot use the 3G out there. Overall, if you talk about this variant, we can say was a good variant for the secondary phones out there and still a good variant for the secondary phones. As well as the battery life is quite good because it gives you 7.5 hours battery life, which is 850 mAh. मतलब आपको अगर talk time चाहिए, if you need a talk time 730 hours, मतलब 7 hours and 30 minutes approximately talk time you will get with 850 mAh battery. So that's a wonderful feature out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this is good for the secondary phone, not for the primary phone. Or for the people who want to have a non-high-tech phone or just don't want any kind of phone which has a internet connection or like a normal basic elderly people we can say or people who don't want any high-tech phone. So for them this can be used. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is available out in very limited websites. Very limited websites it is available. So for that, all you have to do is click on the link in the description, or you can go on Google and type phonezone.ae. Yes. आपको गूगल पे जाना है on Google you have to type phonezone.ae which has been highlighted out there and you will get to see that this is an amazing variant out here. This is the site name which I have told you, as well as this is the category which offers you n number of mobile phones. This is the site which offers you specified way to see your gadgets. And when we talk about gadgets, not just the gadgets, we can see that it offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, COD, free shipping, as well as 100% original product. So you can definitely check this out. Let us talk about Nokia 100 first. Nokia 100, this is the bar where you can specified way search your models. So I have typed Nokia 100, I'm going to see the results. So as the result is out, we get to see that this model is out here. with a description box. मतलब आपको description box भी देखने को मिलेगा. You get to see the entire, we can say, specifications of your model out there. Everything is written. As well as you get to see that there is a condition written. This is refurbished condition written out here. So let us talk about refurbished condition. Then we will talk about pricing and the site. But सबसे पहले बात हम refurbished की. Talking about refurbished product or refurbished word, everything out there. Refurbished word itself means creating something new. Like, yes, refurbished itself means creating something new. Like, so we can say that refurbished products are exactly same like the brand new products. They are absolutely same like the brand new products. Just a few differences can be seen, not in the structurality or the functionality of these products, not in that, but yes, we can see the difference out there in the pricing and the usage capacity or the number of persons used in it. So these are the basic differences, we can say these kind of differences. But when we talk about refurbished and brand new products, we can say that these products definitely owe same parameters. Yes, these two have the same parameters for the, we can say, parameters for their certifications or to be launched or to be certified. Everything we want to. Similar testimoniality, if we talk about testimoniality of these products, they both have the same structurality and functionality. The same parameters are included. If we talk about the parameters, these are either external or internal. These are the two types of parameters. External parameters usually involves the display, the outer structurality, involves the, we can say, battery life, their camera quality, audio quality, video quality. Whereas the, we talk about the internal factors, they involve the OS system, processing system out there. It involves the, we can say, internal functionality of the phone out there. Like, if we have to talk about anything, like Bluetooth connectivity is there, Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity, SIM recognition is there, anything out there, they all are said or they all are classified under these categories. So overall, there are 29 parameters which are involved in this. So there are 29 parameters you will see when you have to testify or you have to say testimonial or we have to test any gadget, not just the brand new but the refurbished also, because refurbished are the products which have been once used by a user and are again being used by the users. So this is one thing which is the major difference out here. Whereas if we talk about these products, they are absolutely same. There is no major difference out there. If you have to talk about brand new products, then we have to say that brand new products definitely have something different in it. That is, they are directly from the company to the user or the agency, and refurbished are company user agency user. So this kind of a chain could be seen out there. Now let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. Number one, savings up to 15%. Yes, when you owe any brand new product, they are usually expensive. They are slightly expensive and are not able to fit in our pockets. So they are slightly expensive. Whereas the refurbished products are usually pocketable and are easily, they are much cheaper than the brand new, we can say. They are much cheaper than the brand new. So you can save up to 15% easily. Most of the companies have said that the refurbished products are much cheaper and can save up to 15%. So because of that, we come to the second point, that is pocketable rates. Pocketable rates, why we are saying so? Pocketable rates are the ratings or the pricing for the refurbished products which do not cost our pocket. Yes, these do not cost our pocket. They are quite pocketable friendlier rates. इनकी वजह से हमें ज्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं लगता कि yes they are very expensive, though they are slightly, we feel like they are slightly expensive, but they are not. Now we come to the third point, which is the warranty period. Usually a product which has been used by a user, it reduces or there is no warranty period for such products, but the site offers you 6 months warranty period. Yes, this site offers you 6 months warranty period. You can definitely check this out. as well as you get to have 7-day exchange policy. आपको साथ में 7-day exchange policy भी देखने को मिलती है, so you can definitely check this out. So these are the few benefits of having refurbished products over brand new products. You can definitely check them out. So let us once again go to the website and check how is the website and what are other benefits out there. So the website, we are back on the website. The website name, as we already know, phonezone.ae. The website name is phonezone.ae. And talking about this website, which I have already told you the benefits of having refurbished products out here was 6 months warranty and 7 days replacement guarantee. Here you get COD and free home delivery as well. मतलब ये दोनों भी additional points हैं. You can check them out. As well as you get to see not just that, your favorite products and the favorite brands under the category of all mobile phones. The search icons help you to know your favorite model, specified model out there. तो बहुत ज़्यादा limited result मिल जाता है. So this is all about the website out there. The website name I am highlighting again. The website name is this, phonezone.ae. Till then, take care. हम मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में. तब तक आप हमें बता सकते हैं किसी और मॉडल के बारे में जानना हो या फिर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो you can also let us know in the comment section or call our helpline number so know about your favorite gadgets. Till then, take care.